Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Python AI. We'll begin by building a strong foundation in Python programming. This means mastering core concepts like variables, data types, and control flow. Understanding how to use lists, dictionaries, and functions effectively is crucial. Consistent practice with these fundamentals will set you up for success in your AI journey. Think of it as learning the alphabet before writing a novel. Once you have a solid Python foundation, it's time to dive into the essential libraries for AI. NumPy is fundamental for numerical computing, especially with its powerful array objects. Pandas will become your best friend for data manipulation and analysis, making data wrangling much easier. For visualizing your data and understanding patterns, Matplotlib and Seaborn are indispensable tools, helping you interpret complex information at a glance. Now, let's tackle the core AI concepts. Begin by grasping the fundamentals of machine learning, including supervised and unsupervised learning. Familiarize yourself with algorithms like linear regression and decision trees, which are foundational. As you progress, delve into neural networks and the exciting field of deep learning. These concepts form the backbone of many advanced AI applications, opening up a world of possibilities for your projects. The best way to solidify your learning is through practical application. Start with small, manageable AI projects, perhaps building a simple recommendation system or a basic image classifier. Engaging in online coding challenges can also sharpen your problem-solving abilities. Remember, the field of AI is constantly evolving, so continuous learning and staying updated with new techniques and tools are key to long-term success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.